Okay. Uh, okay, so we finished. Did we finish exercise A? No, we didn't finish because the time was over. Mhm. Okay, now we're here. Here we go. Negative 6 squared, 36 minus 24. So this was. All right, guys. So remember when we were solving this exercise? Last week?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, now let's imagine I am going to come up with a new exercise today. And this is going to be called exercise C. 2x squared plus 8 plus 2x squared plus 8x plus 8 is going to be equal to 3x to the 3x squared minus 6x. Isabella Guzman. Last time to be here. Minus 6x plus 2. Minus 6x plus 2. Okay, guys. Imagine this is the exercise you had to do in YouTube. Okay? For me, these exercises are very challenging. Now, what do I have to do, guys? I need to have all equal terms together. Okay? Together. So, I want to have my 2x squared along with my 3x squared, and I want to have my 8x along with my negative 6x, and I want to have my plus 8 along with my minus 2. Okay? Yes, guys? Guys, give me a hand over here. I need to hear your voice.
Teacher.
So 2x squared, I'm going to be coloring in different tones, plus 8x, and then plus 8. And this is going to be equal to 3x squared. 3x squared minus 6x. And then plus 2. Yes? Now, where would you like to have them all together? In your left or on the right? Which one do you prefer, guys?
Left.
On the left? Okay, very good. So I'm going to have over here that something is going to be equal to 3x squared, and I need to have it on the other side, so I'm going to subtract 3x squared, yes? And then minus 6x, and how can I cancel minus 6x, guys? What would you do if you wanted to send it to the other side?
Put a positive.
Add 6x, very good. And then you have plus 2. So how will you cancel plus 2?
Negative.
Minus 2, right? So that way you will have 2x squared plus 8x plus 8. That was exactly this equation. I haven't done anything. And then you said, "Hi, teacher, but you subtracted 3x. Okay, I will subtract 3x squared. And you also subtracted and you also added 6x. Okay, I will add 6x. But you also subtracted 2. So I will subtract 2. Now, guys, this is going to be equal to what?
0.
0. And this is going to be equal
0.
to?
0.
And this is going to be equal to?
0.
So what is going to be left on that side?
0.
0 plus 0 plus 0, that is equal to?
0.
Excellent, guys. Okay, now I am going to collect my like terms again. So this one would be in red, right? Because they are like. And this one will be in blue. And this one will be in yellow. Yes? So I will have my 2x squared. Sorry. I will have my 2x squared minus 3x squared. Yes?
Yes.
And 2x squared minus 3x squared is equal to negative x squared, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Teacher, I have a
Yes.
question. When we have like, it's because I get lost in one part. When we have like the two things in
Give me a second, Miss Ramirez. Step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, and step number 5.
it's like my question below, o sea, empieza a partir del step number 1. When we have
Miss
like
Ramirez,
all,
I think that the internet in your house is being hacked because I can hear your voice in Spanish.
teacher, it's because like is like in the step number 1, but like also in the 3.
Okay.
When we have that thing of the step number 1 and we already like convert, it's because I was trying to do like my exercise that I have to do first, FOIL and that. I have like that in the like the step number 1. But then we have like to pass to the other side of the equal. Like
Yes.
you say the left and right and that.
Exactly.
We have to pass and we change like the symbols, like if it's negative, it's positive and that's
Ramirez,
it.
I will answer your question with step number 2. The only way I can cancel 3x squared that was positive was subtracting 3x squared. And I can cancel negative 6x by adding 6x. And I can cancel plus 2 by subtracting 2. And the same thing you did on your right, you have to do it on your left. That's why, look at the colors. 2x squared, 2x squared. Minus 3x, here's where I added it. I subtracted it. Plus 6x, here's where I added. Minus 2, here, look that they are in black. Yes?
Yes, yes. Okay,
But
thank
now,
you.
what I'm doing is, I am collecting,
Like terms.
like, excellent, Ms. Ramirez. Is your doubt? No more doubt?
No, it's good teacher. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Let me see here in the chat. I got someone in the chat. Chats. This meeting is all 9B except for Simon. Simon, no. Yes, Mr. Gomez. You know why? Because Simon wants to grow in mathematical concepts.
No, teacher, lo decía por dato curioso, pero pues ya que ya pasó.
Me too. Me too. Because Simon wants to learn more, my friend. This video is going to be uploaded to YouTube. I don't know if I'm recording. I think I am. Yes, Mariana. It's going to be uploaded. Okay, so in step number 4, here's where we were. Green, we said, and now I'm going to be turning into blue. Okay, now I had at 8x, this one, yes? And I have a 6x, so 8x plus 6x. And I had a plus 8, and I had a minus 2. And this was going to be equal to 0, right? So 2x squared minus 3x squared was going to be negative x squared. And then I'm going to say 8x plus 6x. The answer is, guys, if you want, you can unmute your microphones.
14.
Negative 14 or positive 14, Simon?
Positive. No, positive. Sorry.
Positive 14x. Very good. And then 8 minus 2 is going to be?
Four.
Positive 6.
6, sorry. Ay, qué pena.
Yes, 6. You're not dividing, Thomas. Okay? Okay, positive 6. And this is going to be equal to 0, guys. Now, I am going to rewrite my expression. Teacher, this class is... Hi. Guys. Para todos los que no llegaron tarde, like the ones that were on time, this class is for 9A and 9B because last Tuesday, we didn't have a class because there was a power shortage in my house. My cell phone's battery was dead and my computer's battery was dead. So we said, okay, teacher, let's have that class next Monday in CI. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Okay? Okay, guys. Now, my equation is going to be negative x squared plus 14x plus 6. Negative x squared plus 14x minus 6. This is going to be equal to 0, right? Okay.
Yes.
And if that is equal to 0, I am going to rewrite this expression, but with the coefficients.
Mr.
Negative 1 x squared. Yes?
Is positive 6.
Positive 6?
Yes.
Ah, yeah, positive 6. Thank you, Mr. Ramirez. Positive 6. So negative 1x squared plus 14x and then plus 6. This is going to be equal to 0. Now, guys, remember that the standard form was going to be ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Yes, guys?
That is like a formula,
Yes.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, that's the standard form of a quadratic formula, Mr. Ramirez. So in that order of ideas, what is the value of A, guys?
Negative
Negative
1.
X,
And B?
14.
14.
14. And C?
6.
6. Now, guys, do you remember? Let me check something here in the chat. Okay, Valeria, it's not a problem, guys. It's not a problem if you were late. Yo ahorita era que está molestando. Hey. but it's okay. Now, guys, do you remember the formula for the discriminant?
Yes.
Yes.
B
Yes.
squared minus 4AC.
Discriminant. Discriminant. The formula for the discriminant was, Juanita?
B squared
B squared?
minus AC.
Huh?
Minus 4.
Minus 4 AC. Sorry.
Thank you. So guys, I am going to replace these values in this formula, right? So I'm going to say, okay, this is 14 squared. Yes? Minus
Yes.
4. What is the
4.
value of A?
Negative 1.
Negative 1. And what is the value of C?
6.
6.
6. 14 squared is equal to? Without a calculator, okay? I think 196.
Yes, teacher, 196.
Yes? Why? Ay,
Yes.
teacher, como lo hizo rápido. Yes, guys, because I'm going to be multiplying 14 times 10 plus 4. Yes? So I'm going to use the distributive property. 14 times 10 is 140. And 14 times 4 is the same as if I had 4 times 10 plus 4, right? So this is going to be 140 plus 40 plus 16. 140 plus 40, 180 plus 16, 196, right? So this is going to be 196. Positive or negative?
Positive.
Gracias, doña Amparo. Ella no puede entrar ahorita a la clase de nosotros para que le digan, pero que si quiere, con mucho gusto, yo le mando el link de Zoom a doña Amparo, ¿ok? 14 squared, 196. Negative 4 times negative 1, positive 4. And positive 4 times 6, guys,
24.
24. And 24 plus 196. 4 plus 6,
220.
220. Now, 220. What happens if the discriminant is 220? 1, 2, or 3?
3.
3.
3?
1. 1. 1.
1. 1.
1?
1. 1.
Yes.
Why 1?
Because
Because
the
it's bigger than 0.
answer.
Yes,
is
because
bigger than-
220 is greater than 0. So there are two unequal real solutions. There are two unequal real solutions. So yes,
Teacher.
two unequal real solutions. Yes, Juanita?
Is that I understand all of the equation and all, but I don't understand how we put like in the table that you give us.
What table?
Is that is not like a table? Is that es que no sé. It's like a table that you give us with the exercise that you put like a standard form, discriminant.
The chart.
Yes,
chart.
the chart. The chart.
In the chart.
Yes, yes.
El
Let me
table.
open the chart. Because I did it the same way of the chart. Wait. For term.
I like this.
Okay, Juanita. Sin Salabin, Malakasin. This is a chart?
Yeah,
Yes?
I don't know.
Yes or no?
Yes.
This is the
Yes,
chart
yes,
from the
yes.
question.
Yes.
Now, what is the standard form of the equation, Juanita?
Negative 1.
Okay,
X
negative x squared.
squared.
Okay, negative 1x squared plus 14x plus 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
Negative 1x squared plus 14x. 14 or plus or minus? Plus 14x plus 6. Okay, what is the value of a, Juanita?
-1.
Okay, so what part do you don't understand?
I don't understand what we put in discriminant.
No?
We put
Okay.
like
I'm
the
sure you know this.
220.
Okay, Juanita, what was the discriminant?
220.
B squared minus 4AC, right? And when you solve and you replace, you got the value 220. Check, finished.
Teacher, and where we put the thing on
Okay.
the two
Thank
solutions,
you.
one solution,
Sir, I
and that.
get confused.
No, you don't have to write that, guys.
I don't have to write the thing of the solution. Okay, okay.
Look,
Teacher, I get very confused.
give me a second. Mi Ramirez, did you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, any